Dr. Luca, nice to meet you today.
Very
And
nice
thank you so much to support the Class Green Symposium. So this symposium, we are going to talk about the sustainability. So here we really want to know about your perspective and the Western Digital perspective for the sustainability and the environmental friendly activities.
Absolutely. So Western Digital is a technology company. I think all of our products are based on technology. And with sustainability, we actually are going to be innovating through technology, continue to use our technology in a way that we can positively impact the environment. We actually have three fundamental pillars around sustainability. The first one is that we want to reduce our environmental footprint, mainly focused on carbon emission. The second one is going to act sustainably by making sure that all of our stakeholders, all of the ecosystem we operate in has a sustainability in mind. And the third piece, we're actually going to embrace and embed sustainability into our decision making, and we go around doing our daily work.
Wow, that's really wonderful. Yes, thank you so much, and the Western Digital for spending your efforts on this on this sustainability. So, is there any example you could give us? When you're doing helping on sustainability in your operations again?
Yeah. So first of all, I want to kind of set the stage. Back in July of 2023, Western Digital set up a very aggressive goal in terms of sustainability. First one, we are committed that by 2030, we're actually going to run all of our operation using renewable source.
Wow.
And that's on path to get to net zero carbon emission by 2032 for scope 1 and scope 2 emission. Also, in terms of resources, we're actually going to try to reduce our water consumption from the level that we were in 2022 by 20% by 2030. And lastly, waste, of course, is a big problem. And our target is that by 2030, we're going to reduce our waste into landfill below 5%.
Wow. Yeah, that's so much impressive. We are very much inspired. So the last question will be called a $1 million question.
Okay.
So our audience are the semiconductor professionals. So what our audience, our professional people can get this related to their working lives about sustainability?
Sure. Yeah. So, I mean, sustainability is about being a good citizen where we are. So where we work and where we are. And so it's really important that in every single thing that we do, I have sustainability in mind. Now, we are technology driven. We work on technology. And so it's very, very important that as we build our technology, we're not only going after, performance and power and other things, but we also think, what is the impact of our products into the environment? For example, in Western Digital, we are one of the largest producers of USBs. And actually, many of our USB, we actually use full recycled material. So I suggest that all of our friends and colleagues always think about reuse, recycle, and as much as possible, have an eye out for the environment.
Thank you so much. Yeah. That's really wonderful. Yeah, I think all our audience will be very much inspired, and that they are looking forward to see your insights in our schools.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.